In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete in Microsoft Loop, whether it's a component, a page, or an entire workspace. I'll guide you through each step with ease, helping you navigate Microsoft Loop's interface confidently. To kick things off, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. Once you've located the official site, you'll need to sign in to your account. This is usually a straightforward process if you've used Microsoft services before. Just input your credentials and sign in securely. Now that you're logged in, let's focus on deleting a Loop component. Begin by navigating to the specific Loop component you wish to remove. This could be any element within your workspace, like a table, text block, or a checklist. Once you've found the component, look for the More menu, which is typically represented by 3 dots. Clicking this menu will reveal several options. Here, you'll want to select the Delete option. Remember, once a component is deleted, it might not be recoverable, so ensure that you really want it gone before proceeding. Next, we'll cover how to delete a Loop page or workspace. If you're dealing with an entire page or even a whole workspace that you no longer need, the steps are a bit different. First, open the page or workspace you want to delete. Just like we did with the components, your first task is to locate the More menu. This will usually appear in the top right corner, indicated by those familiar 3 dots. Click on it, and you'll again see a variety of options. Here, choose Delete Page or Delete Workspace, depending on what you're targeting for removal. Microsoft Loop will then prompt you to confirm this deletion. It's an extra precaution to save you from accidental data loss. Make sure you double-check your choice before you proceed. And there you have it, a straightforward process to declutter your Microsoft Loop environment. While it seems simple, bear in mind that deleting items can be permanent, so always double-check that you want something removed before you hit delete. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy navigating your freshly organized Microsoft Loop space.